Hey guys, it's John, and today I am in my living room / kitchen, and I have a new gadget for you. This is the Tassimo Coffee Machine VV2, which I'll be unboxing and reviewing for you guys today. Right, let's get this bad boy open. Oh, it says, don't open with sharp objects. And that's exactly what I am doing. Cool, £20 off. Boring manuals, don't need those. And the coffee machine. Guess this is the instructions. Right. Okay, so I just noticed you can actually move this tray higher up. So depending on your cup size, you can put it at a different level, so you won't get splashing when you're making a coffee. You just get your finger in there, pop that out, and give that a little clean. Nice. Right, so I'm gonna put in one of these, latte macchiato caramel, and make a nice coffee. Right, so as this one's a latte, it comes with the coffee in here and a milk frother kind of thing to make it a longer drink. So the milk goes first, and then we add this one afterwards. Cool, so get my little Wallace and Gromit mug there. Give it a good little shake. Make this look nice and presentable. Put in my little milk. Bloody hell. These are stiff to push on, aren't they?
Probably because it's new.
Yeah. Probably because it's new, it's quite tough to put those on. And off we go. So the milk actually smells like caramel. So this is just coffee, and then that has the caramel in it.
I think so.
So the milk definitely does have stuff in it. That's the discarded capsule. I guess you can recycle that or put that in the bin. Then the coffee one goes in second. God damn, it's stiff. Right, and go again. Done. Smells good. Gonna give it a stir. I wish I had a clear glass to show you what it actually looked like inside, but all I have is a ceramic mug, and there you go. It's quite nice and frothy on the top, if you can see it there. I'm gonna let that cool down and try that in a minute. Right, it's bloody hot. I'm gonna attempt to sip it and hopefully not burn my mouth. Tastes really good, actually. Tastes just like a caramel latte you'd get from a coffee shop.
It's very hot, yeah. You could have given me 5 minutes.
What do you think?
Yeah. Very caramel.
Right, so as we established, the milk pod actually has the caramel flavour in it, not the coffee. So what I'm tempted to try is mixing the Cadbury's hot chocolate with this caramel flavour to see if I can make a caramel latte. They are medium-sized glasses, so what I've done, I've got 2 separate mugs. I'm going to put the milk in one and the hot chocolate in one, and then I'm going to pour them in together. I don't want to put them all in one just in case they overflow and it goes everywhere. Start with a milk pod. In comparison, that is the size difference between the hot chocolate and the normal milk one. This is how full they are. Okay. The Cadbury's doesn't actually taste as good as a Cadbury's hot chocolate. It does taste very watery. I usually like to drink them with milk because they taste creamier. So I'm hoping this will help out and give it a caramel hint. I'm just going to pour the caramel milk onto the Cadbury's hot chocolate. Whoa. Just about enough there. This definitely looks like a better hot chocolate now. You know what, that actually worked. The only thing I can say now is, I feel like the caramel has overpowered the hot chocolate. Yeah, it just tastes like caramel now. I can't really taste the hot chocolate at all. Trying the Cadbury's before the caramel, it just tasted watery. It didn't really taste of that much of hot chocolate. Not the best really, but that's just for fun. I wouldn't recommend doing it. So to conclude my Tassimo video, I've had it for a while now, so I've tried out all the different pods I've got for it. The coffees are quite nice actually. I enjoy the caramel lattes. The hot chocolates aren't the best, but I found if you had a splash of milk or top it up with a little bit more hot chocolate in the mug, it turns out to be quite good. I've looked for value elsewhere, and the Tassimo Coffee Machine seems to be the best. The pods are quite cheap to get. Also, there are a lot of different flavours, so if you like hot chocolates or if you like caramel lattes, Tassimo seemed to be the best when I was looking for those kind of options. So if you want something cheap that tastes really good as well and is really easy to make and use, then I definitely recommend the Tassimo Coffee Machine. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one.